Hello, kain po tayo. For today's video, magmumukbang na naman po ako. Mukbang pero konti lang yung pagkain. Sayuti vegetables mixed with carrots, vegetable, and chicken cooked and afritada mino. The sayote and carrots and patatas. It is potato. Vegetable is still half cooked. I like it. Guess who cooking this? I'm the one who cooked this. Anyway, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me here. I'm very much appreciated. Chicken nga siya. Chicken afritada. Medyo malaki-laki yata yung cut nito eh. So, ikakat ko na lang siya ng aking fork and spoon. Thank you for watching. Until next time.